Nobody can push me aside. In attaining our ideals, our means should be as pure as the end. More importantly, I also understand my age and am in a better position to appreciate it. Age is very important in the entertainment industry. Actors cannot go on forever running around the trees. I know I cannot do all the stuff that I did 10 years ago. What I mean is that today's films lay a lot of emphasis on glamour and associated emotions. Everyone should play their role in tearing down the wall of hatred. Good words are like a good vibration that should go in the universe for more and more people to feel its divinity. When people see how I managed to work my way out of tough situations, it gives them hope in their own life. I do not rule out the possibility of being Prime Minister of India one day, but there is still time. Our mass movement will shatter this communal, fascist and autocratic center. Today in India there are all sections of people, as the BJP realized when the poor voted them out. The lower caste people were killed as part of a conspiracy to dismiss my party's government.